Hey everyone, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, where we bring you the latest insights and analysis on everything happening in the world of cryptocurrency. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into Cardano, one of the most talked about altcoins. To answer a burning question, is ADA a dead coin or does it still have life left in it? Before we dive in, please note that the information presented in this video is not financial advice. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and investments in digital assets carry significant risk. Always do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Let's jump right in. Cardano, a project once hailed as a major contender in the cryptocurrency space, now finds itself at a crossroads. With its price struggling to regain upward momentum and mixed market signals pointing towards further downside, the question on everyone's mind is whether ADA, Cardano's native cryptocurrency, is on the brink of becoming a dead coin. In this video, we'll delve into the recent price movements, analyze key resistance levels, and explore the various indicators that are casting a shadow over ADA's future. We'll also examine how Cardano is performing against Bitcoin and consider what lies ahead for this once promising blockchain platform. Despite a recent price drop, Cardano has managed to show some resilience, particularly when compared to Bitcoin. On August 14th, the ADA price dropped by 1.1% in the last 24 hours, trading at approximately $0.337. However, during the same period, ADA gained 3.8% against Bitcoin, which is noteworthy. This trend wasn't isolated to Cardano. XRP and Solana also gained against Bitcoin, rising by 2.8% and 4.3% respectively. At first glance, these gains might seem encouraging, but they don't paint the full picture. Cardano's performance against Bitcoin, while relatively strong in this brief period, doesn't necessarily indicate a bullish outlook. The broader context reveals a network-facing stagnation coupled with bearish sentiment from traders, suggesting that ADA's future might not be as bright as these short-term gains imply. To get a clearer understanding of Cardano's current state, it's essential to look beyond the price and examine the network's overall health. One of the most critical metrics is user activity. Despite the buzz surrounding the Chang hard fork upgrade, the number of active addresses on the Cardano network has remained stagnant. According to data from Intablock, the number of active addresses with balances has hovered around 4.45 million for over a year. This lack of growth is concerning because it indicates that Cardano isn't attracting new users or seeing increased activity, a sign of a potentially struggling network. However, there's another side to the story. While the number of active addresses has remained flat, the number of long-term holders is at an all-time high. These holders now control over 40% of the total ADA supply, demonstrating a strong belief in Cardano's long-term potential. This level of commitment from long-term holders could be seen as a bullish sign, suggesting that despite the current challenges, there is still confidence in the network's future. While long-term holders may have faith in Cardano, traders seem to be less optimistic. Data from CoinLast's liquidation map reveals a clear bearish sentiment dominating the market. On August 14th, the cumulative long liquidation leverage was $2.28 million, significantly lower than the cumulative short liquidation leverage, which stood at $3.05 million. This disparity indicates that traders are betting against ADA, anticipating further downside potential. The reasons behind this bearish sentiment are varied. Some traders are concerned about broader market dynamics, including potential regulatory actions that could impact the crypto market as a whole. Others point to specific events such as the US government moving Bitcoin from the Silk Road wallet, which has created uncertainty and fear in the market. This kind of sentiment often leads to increased selling pressure as traders look to minimize their exposure to potential risks. Cardano's price action has been heavily influenced by key resistance levels and various technical indicators. One of the most significant resistance points is the $0.34 level, where substantial selling pressure has repeatedly emerged. This resistance level has proven to be a formidable barrier, preventing ADA from gaining the upward momentum needed to break out of its current downtrend. The moving average convergence divergence MACD indicator adds to the bearish outlook. The MACD is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of an asset's price. Currently, the MACD is negative, indicating that bearish momentum is in play, although a crossover of the MACD line above the signal line could signal a potential bullish move. This has yet to materialize for Cardano, further dampening the prospects for a price recovery. Another crucial technical indicator is the Bollinger Bands, which are narrowing, a sign of reduced volatility. This narrowing suggests that ADA might be entering a period of consolidation, which could lead to a breakout in either direction. Given the current market sentiment, a downward breakout seems more likely. If this occurs, it could result in a significant expansion of the Bollinger Bands, leading to a sharp price movement. The Chaikin Money Flow CMF indicator also warrants attention. The CMF measures the buying and selling pressure over a specific period, with positive values indicating buying pressure and negative values indicating selling pressure. Currently, the CMF shows mild buying pressure at 0.0.08. While this suggests some level of buying interest, it's not strong enough to signal a reversal in the downtrend. The lack of significant buying pressure means that ADA could continue to struggle in the near term. External factors have also played a crucial role in Cardano's recent price movements. One of the most significant events was the volatility in Bitcoin's price on August 14th, which caused ADA's price to slide lower. Although the asset quickly recovered, this volatility highlighted the broader market's influence on Cardano's price. The movement of Bitcoin by the US government from the Silk Road wallet has created additional uncertainty in the market. This event has led to fears of a potential sell-off, which could drive prices lower across various cryptocurrencies, including ADA. Traders are particularly wary of these kinds of events, as they can trigger sudden and significant price movements. The Chang hard fork upgrade was supposed to be a significant milestone for Cardano, bringing improvements to the network that many hoped would drive ADA's price higher. However, the market's reaction to the upgrade has been underwhelming. The anticipated volatility didn't materialize, leaving many investors questioning whether the hype around Cardano is justified. This lackluster response to the Chang hard fork is indicative of broader issues within the Cardano ecosystem. Despite the technical improvements brought by the upgrade, the market's focus remains on ADA's price action, and the lack of a significant price rally has disappointed many. So is ADA a dead coin? The answer isn't straightforward. On one hand, the network's stagnant growth, coupled with bearish trader sentiment and challenging technical indicators, suggests that Cardano could continue to struggle. The key resistance level of $0.34 and the psychological support level of $0.30 will be crucial in determining ADA's next move. On the other hand, the strong commitment from long-term holders and the potential for a rebound at these key levels could provide a lifeline for ADA. If the price manages to hold above $0.30 and the network sees renewed interest, there could be a path to recovery. However, this will require a significant shift in market sentiment and an influx of new users to the network. In summary, while Cardano has shown some resilience, particularly against Bitcoin, the overall outlook remains bleak. The combination of stagnant network growth, bearish trader sentiment, and challenging technical indicators suggests that ADA may continue to face downward pressure. The $0.30 level will be a critical support zone, and if ADA fails to hold above it, the coin could be in serious trouble. As always, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and investing in digital assets involves significant risk. The information presented in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and invest only what you can afford to lose. That's all for today's deep dive into Cardano and its current struggles. Do you think ADA is on the verge of becoming a dead coin, or will it bounce back stronger than ever? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop our next update. Thanks for watching Zaki Crypto Update, and I'll see you in the next video.